Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to organize photos by people and places on iPhone. Firstly, you need to open to your Photos app and simply select to this collection in the bottom there. And from here, you can select the peoples and pets by simply tapping onto the people icon there in the top. And from here, you need to tap a person's photo to view all the pictures of them. Simply press and hold. And to add a name, you need to tap onto this edit name and photos in the top and select name this person. And here you need to type down the person's name in this photo and tap onto this done in the top right corner. And that is it. And in order to organize photos by the places, you need to scroll a bit down until you find this trips. You need to tap onto the trip there. And over here, you'll see a map with photos location. And that is it. This is how you can organize the photos by people and places on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video.